Hi, I'm Justine. Welcome to my series about things. A series of videos about lots of different things. Today is the first video. The first video is about things that stink. Things that smell bad. Things that are stinky. Today we will talk about 4 things that are stinky. The first thing that stinks is garbage. Garbage smells bad. Garbage is stinky. The second thing that smells bad is sweat. When your body gets hot, when your body feels hot, you get sweaty. Your sweat smells bad. My sweat smells bad too. The third thing that stinks is rotting food. Rotting food smells so bad. When food in your refrigerator, when food in your fridge goes bad, it smells rotten. It smells bad. When food smells bad, it is a signal to your brain that says, don't eat this food. It is not safe to eat. Do not eat this rotting food. This food is stinky. But sometimes stinky foods are safe to eat. The fruit durian, durian, is good to eat, but it smells really, really bad. Also, some types of cheese smell really bad, but they're still good to eat. You can eat them if you like them. Me, I don't like eating these stinky foods. Stinky foods, not for me. The fourth thing that stinks, the fourth thing that smells bad is diapers. Ugh. Ew. Diapers are stinky. Diapers are gross. Gross is another word to use when something is stinky. It smells gross. To me, the worst smell is rotting potatoes. Rotting potatoes smell so bad. When potatoes go bad, they get liquefied. They turn into liquid. It is stinky potato juice, and it smells so bad. If you get 1 drop of stinky potato juice on your clothes or on your skin, that drop of stinky potato juice smells so bad. Even if you wash it, even if you wash your clothes with soap and water, the stinky potato juice smells bad. It is so gross. Ugh. What about you? What is the worst smell to you? What smells gross to you? Tell us in the comments. In the next video in this series, we will talk about things that are soft. Things that are soft. Thanks for watching. Bye.